Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing trick to streamline your file management. Imagine this. You have a folder named Assessment 2023, filled with participant codes as file names. It's tidy, but ends up creating countless folders over time. What if I told you there's a magical way to keep everything in one place, without losing track of which file belongs where? Let's dive in. By adding the folder name to your files, you can instantly identify their origin, even if they get moved around. No more hunting through a maze of folders. Everything stays neat and traceable. We're going to harness the power of ExcelVBA. Don't worry if you're new to ExcelVBA, I've got a simple script ready for you. Just download it using the link in the description below. Here is the magic moment. 1. Open the Excel template. 2. Press the button Yes, it's that easy. 3. Select the folder with your files. 4. Watch as the script works its magic, adding the folder name to each file. Now, instead of multiple folders for different years, you can keep all your assessments in one place. Simplified, organized, efficient. If you found this tip as life-changing as I did, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome organizational hacks.